dear children, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to start chapter 3, rocks and minerals. Firstly, we are going to know about rocks and minerals. What are rocks? Rocks are made up of minerals which occur naturally in the earth crust. What are minerals? Any natural elements or compound in the earth's crust are called minerals. Let's see some slides. So children, look at some slides. First, layers of the earth. This is the structure of the earth and it is divided into 3 layers. First, the crust. It is the outermost layer of the earth. Second, mantle. It is the middle layer of the earth. Cores. Earth has 2 cores. First, outer core and inner core. Come to the next point, rocks. Rocks are the solid parts of the outermost layer of the earth. Rocks are made of minerals which occur naturally in the earth's crust. The earth is made up of 3 types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Let's talk about igneous rocks. What is igneous rocks? A rock formed by the cooling of magma or lava. It is called igneous rocks. They are of different types. First, granite rocks. Granite rocks are formed by the slowly cooling pockets of magma that were trapped beneath the earth's surface. What do you mean by beneath? नीचे, नीचे की ओर. They contain 2 main minerals, quartz and feldspar. Granite is used for building long-lasting monuments and also for making statues and flooring. Scoria. Scoria rocks. Scoria rocks are formed when lava cools quickly above the ground. Scoria is actually a kind of glass and not a mixture of minerals. These rocks are also called basalt rocks. Next rock is pumice rocks. Pumice rocks are also formed when lava cools quickly above the ground. These rocks have many small holes. They are so light that they can actually float in the water. Their powder is used to polish the floor and in tooth powders. They are also used as body scrubbers. Obsidian rocks. Obsidian rocks are formed when lava cools quickly above the ground. They look like black glass. The edges of these rocks are very sharp. They are used to make tools. Now next rock is sedimentary rocks. What is sedimentary rocks? A rock formed by the hardening of the sediments due to high pressure. There are also different types. Sandstone rocks. This is the picture of sandstone rocks. Sandstone rocks are formed from small grains of the minerals called quartz and feldspar. These are soft and are either yellow, brown, red or pink in color. Sandstone is used as building stone. The Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Hawa Mahal in Jaipur are made up of red stone. Limestone rocks. This is the picture of limestone rocks. Limestone rocks are formed from a mineral called calcite. This rock is used in concrete and in an excellent building stone for humid regions. The chalk used for writing on blackboards is limestone. It is also used for making glass. Conglomerate rocks. Conglomerate rocks are made up of large sediments like sand and pebbles. This rock is also cemented together with minerals like silica and calcium carbonate. These rocks are either grey or orange in color. Gypsum. Gypsum rocks are made up of sulfate mineral. This rock is very soft and is used to make plaster of Paris and molds. Shell rocks. Shell rocks are formed from clay that is piled in layers by pressure. This rock is used to make bricks and tiles. Dolomite. Dolomite rock consists mainly of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. It is usually white or colorless. Coal. Coal is black in color. It is formed by the conversion of dead trees and other plant matter. Next, metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks, a rock formed due to changes in its original nature. There are many types of metamorphic rocks. Marble. Marble is formed from limestone, which is a sedimentary rock. Limestone underground changes to form marble. It is used to make buildings and statues. The Taj Mahal at Agra is built from marble. Slate. Slate is formed by metamorphosis of shell. It is shiny and splits into thick shades. It is grey or black in color. Slate is used for making blackboards, roofs and stone wall. Quartzite. Quartzite is formed by the transformation of sandstone. It is used for making statues. Gneiss. Gneiss is formed from granite and igneous rock. In this rock, mineral grains has been flattened through tremendous heat and pressure and are arranged in alternating patterns. They often glitter because they contain a shining mineral called mica. So my dear children, hope you understood today's all topics very well. With new topic we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.